big ass bee. You find a nice flower, bee? Good girls. We found a patch of flowers. I don't know about every bee, but the bees here, generally, you leave them alone, they leave you alone. Give them just a few inches and you can watch them go about their business.